do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car has a lot of performance upgrades, so we have that build sheet on our website. Looking at the wheel. I don't see any curb rash. Got the big Brembo brakes here. Those look good. Got a tiny rock chip here. Got a couple there. Fender looks good. Side mirrors clean. A-pillar looks nice. Got a little chip right here. A couple tiny fingernail scratches. You do have some rash down here, kind of all the way down that rocker. That looks amazing. Got PPF on that little section protecting it. I see a little rock chip here. Quarter panel looks good. All that looks nice. A little bit of rash on the wheel here. Got a little chip there. All right, checking out the front end here. We'll scan this hood. Looks really good. Headlights look nice. Got a couple rock chips here. Got a little gash there. A couple small scuffs. You have some rash right there. Typical little chips. Chips here, little impacts. All right, looking at the engine bay, we'll have the full build list on our website. All of that looks good. Couple rips on the underhood liner. All right, checking out the driver's side, looking at that fender. Looks really good. Couple small chips on that wheel. Overall looks good. Checking out that lower rocker. That side looks nice. Mirror looks good. A-pillar's nice and clean. All of that looks good. That door looks nice. Wheels look good. Here in the trunk, all of that looks good. All of that looks good. This is all nice and clean. You do have a little gash right there. A couple small touch-up spots here. All right, checking out the interior. It is absolutely gorgeous. Non-smoker, smells really nice in here. Got a little nick right there. This all looks good. Memory seating, Alpine audio. That panel looks really good. That's all nice and clean. That bolster looks amazing. A couple tiny scuffs here. That seat back looks nice. Bottoms are perfect. Tiny little scuff here. Oh, that looks nice. Very, very clean in here. Looks amazing. Kick plate area looks good. Carpets are clean. That bolster looks good. Got a tiny scuff here. Upper section looks nice. You do have a little snag right here and a little indentation there. That side of the console looks good. All of that looks awesome. Here on the back right door panel, that's in great condition. Looking at the seat here, looks awesome. And they are heated. Carpets look good, floor mats are clean, seat back looks nice.